Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin is coming down into closer to our support area again. So this goes pretty much according to plan, according to script at the moment. Highlighted to you that this X wave might unfold as a triangle. That's how I would count it also. Yeah. So we had the wave W. So first of all, we peaked here in an A wave, yeah, first wave of a larger correction. Came down or are now coming down in a 3-wave move in a B wave, which is subdividing into a WXY structure, the X wave as a triangle, A, B, C, D, and a small E wave. Surely there are other interpretations possible, but this works. And now we could be working our way down in a Y wave, which again would be an ABC structure. So from everything I can see, I would say, okay, A wave, now get a small B wave and then the C wave down. This goes again pretty much according to script at the moment. And 1 second, the idea would be for price to head into this support region between $82.34 and $76 basically. And this view is valid as long as the triangle end, yeah, the E wave of the triangle is not broken again, and that is the high at 88.50. As long as price stays below 88.50 now, price should head down lower in this particular structure. Okay, so it's coming down pretty impulsively. So that's why I'm looking at this as an A wave. And yeah, all looking good so far. The idea is, again, if you haven't watched the previous videos, the idea is that as long as we stay below the resistance level anyway, which is the resistance for the X wave, which was already touched here on the 26th of June, you can of course use these as short trade levels, as you can use the support zones as long trade parameters. And I'm never telling you when to enter a trade, but these are the areas that you can use to, they are the parameters that you can use to measure your risk and do your trading. So here, for example, this would have worked out nicely, touched the resistance area and is now coming down, probably heading into the next support region. And as long as the $76 level is holding, the idea would be that we should get a C wave to the upside in a larger D wave. And that is part of that triangle that we talked about in the previous videos, which should end a 4th wave, which should then result in a 5th wave higher. So it's pretty interesting, this chart at the moment. It's also following the wave count nicely, which is why I cover it a lot, because it seems to be a more reliable chart at the moment. Yeah, I mean, what would be a key target? I mean, what we can do with the triangle, yeah, now that it's finished, we can take the length of the wave W, we go to the end of the triangle, which is the E wave high, and we can measure the length, the projected length for the wave Y. This is then WXY, the complete corrective pattern. And target-wise, we're looking at the 81.40 level. That's the 100% extension, or $77 is the 1.618 extension. Not sure where exactly it will end, but be aware these are the areas that are also lying. They are basically the projected targets. They lie in the standard support zones, which is pretty good. So we have a confluence of support in this region. And if I call out all the relevant levels, we've got 82.30, 81.40, 79.80. Interestingly here, this is the golden ratio, one of the most relevant support areas anyway, Fibonacci levels, and it's the 1.236 Fib extension, points towards the same level, so there should be good Fibonacci confluence and support here, and then the 1.618 extension at $77, just below that 76, the 78.6 retracement below that level. Things might turn bearish, but until there's a lot of space, you know, there's a lot of space left to get there. At the moment, I cannot confirm in any way that a local low has been made, but I will keep observing this for you. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.